Shy or not shy?
Touchdown.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but it's on me heavy. I promise it's getting ridiculous after this drop. Do not.
What's up and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. So y'all, today is July the 5th. I just got my delivery. In the last vlog, I was telling y'all that I ordered a sofa for my new recording setup. So that just came. It's a big ass box. They didn't put it on the porch. Now I'm wondering, they didn't do it because my porch is kind of small and they didn't want to block the door. But I'm hoping it's not too heavy for me to get it in here. And y'all, look, I burnt the shit out my arm yesterday cooking. Lord Jesus. But let me see if I can bring this package in. Can y'all even see? Y'all, that was heavy as hell. So, yeah, they didn't put it on the porch because they would have blocked the door. Oh, shit. Okay. So, this is the box it came in. Very flimsy. I feel like it's not the best packed package, but okay. I'm out of breath, but I need to try to get this in my basement somehow. And whew, yeah, y'all, I'm out of breath. I'm about to go jump in the shower. It's hot, so I'm about to shower and then I'm about to meet up with my mom for lunch around 1. It's like 11 now, I think. So I gotta get myself together, get my daughter together, which it's not gonna take me long because it's a hat day. Clearly, I don't get my hair done until Friday. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I get to the restaurant. I'm out of breath. Y'all, the baby in here singing her heart out. She's singing the Miley Cyrus song Flowers. Oh, okay. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go to Walmart and catch y'all over there. Y'all, look, I'm at Walmart. They got these Better Homes fragrance oil refills. It's giving very much Bath and Body Works. $3.87. And then they got the plug-in for the same price. Look how cute these are, y'all. These plug-ins, $5.43, cheaper than Bath and Body Works, y'all. How much Bath and Body Works? They be on more for this little stuff like this. I can't remember, but that's cute. Excuse me. Hi, where's your Airwick plug-in? What's that? I'm asking how it look. What's that? This Airwick. I need these for my basement. Which one can I get, lavender or fresh scent? Lavender vanilla.
You guys need to hear about my K-pop money.
Oh, not at Starbucks. It's not Starbucks. Or not at Target. This girl asking for Starbucks. We're at Walmart, not Target. Okay, so I'm at Ulta Beauty. This is Juvia's Place. They have powder foundation. What's the packaging? Hold on. That's a lot now. Let's see.
I'll put it right here.
No, that's it. So I came to get my favorite gloss mix. This is Milky Morphe Eyebrow Pencil, and then I heard this was good. I think I'm gonna try it. There's only a few left, so it must be good. It's $9. It's the brow glue. So I usually use like Elf or Essence, I think. But I'm gonna try this out and see. Come on, what you looking for? Now what are you gonna do with nail polish? Do you wear nail polish? You know, I'm gonna stick to what I know. I was thinking if I should try a new eyebrow pencil. You got $5. You wanna buy one? You do? She looking at these Disney nail polishes.
Let me choose one.
Which one are you gonna get? How much are those? $10. What color? Turquoise.
I want you from one of these from
The blue in your hand is real pretty.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, I'm about to grab this stuff and be out. I don't know why you want 31306. Alright, y'all, so I'm back home. We're gonna do a little haul. Y'all pretty much seen what I got at the store, but I'm just gonna give you like the name of things, like, you know, details. So I told y'all I wanted to try the NYX, the NYX, the brow glue. This came in different colors, y'all. It came in like brown, black. So they do have different colors. I'm excited to try that. My usual, the Morphe eyebrow pencil. I usually get chocolate mousse. I told y'all I love this is Milky Gloss. So I got this in Milky Honey. And then my daughter picked out this little nail polish, y'all, $5. She don't even wear nail polish for real. So that was like a waste. I bought her like a whole bunch of nail polishes before for Christmas. I don't even know where they at. She don't even wear them. But they not the best polish. So I don't blame her. Okay, I got these Airwick plug-in essential oils. I got this in vanilla and pink papaya. Just got some travel size stuff for my trip. I got some more Lysol spray. I got these little jars for my body scrub. Travel size makeup wipes. Some Listerine mouthwash. And then I got these Damp Raid. What are these? Like absorbing bags or whatever. This is in the fragrance Lavender Vanilla. So these are good to put, like, it show you everywhere you should put them in your house. It's good for your clothes in your closet, bathrooms, laundry room, storage shed, basement, garage, and so on, y'all. That's it, y'all. Oh, I'm about to scan my receipt on Fetch Rewards. Y'all, I'm gonna put my Fetch Reward code below. You guys can sign up through that. So, like, if you scan your receipt, you get points. Each receipt is like worth 25 points unless like they may have something going on. For example, say buy pizza rolls and you can get 1,000 points. The points turn into money and then you can like purchase a gift card. So like one time I got a $50 Amazon gift card. So yeah, y'all, sign up for that. I'm just chilling right now. I'm watching my girl Deja. So her channel is World of Deja. Ooh, my head hurts. So y'all should definitely check her out. I'm gonna show y'all this is my boo. Hey hoes. But yeah, y'all check out her channel, y'all. She be killing me with the hey hoes. Alright, y'all, I'm back for a second. So my last vlog, y'all, it was the 4th of July. So it was the day after the 4th. And I told y'all I was debating on cooking. So I ended up cooking. My plate looked messy, y'all, because of barbecue, but it's damn so good. I got some barbecue ribs, greens, baked macaroni, and that brown crust. Oh my God, when you use that heavy whipping cream and all that, it gives you that little nice crispy crust. My mouth is watering. I love it. But yep, I got my baked macaroni, some baked barbecue chicken. Y'all, it might not look good. Y'all probably looking like, what the fuck? But damn sure believe it's bussin'. Hey y'all, so it's like a few days later. It's July, what, the 7th. So yeah, I went and got my hair done and my nails done today. I didn't bring y'all along because I might do a prep with me vlog getting my hair and nails done. So I didn't want to, like, you know, do it back to back. But I got some coffin nails. Can y'all see? Color definitely not picking up, but I just put a picture on the screen. I got like this lavender purple set. I got them kind of long. You probably wouldn't consider this long because I know some people get their nails longer than this, but I guess medium. I haven't had this length in a while. And I got my toes done the same. And then y'all see I got my hair done. I got my bob back. I got some color this time. I really like it. You know, once I do my face and stuff, you know, I'm cute now, but I'm gonna be a bad baddie. I'm a bad baddie now, but you know what I'm saying. Once I get myself together, all the way together, it's gonna be such a cute look, y'all. But anyway, I wanted to share with you guys some stuff that I picked up yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday, so y'all didn't go with me to these stores. But we're gonna start off with Target. I got some Airwick warmers, and I got 2 of these, y'all. I think I got $2 off. Target is now having like $2 off Airwick products. So yeah, I think it was originally like $3 and some change. So next I got what did I get? I went to TJ Maxx, y'all. And I don't see the products. So okay, TJ Maxx. So I got this little, like, what is it, long handle brush. So this is like for my dishes. Can y'all see? I'm gonna turn the light back on. Yeah, so this is for like my dishes. So I got this. I got this because my bar cart have little stickers on there, so I want to make sure I remove the stickers. So this is Goo Gone, and I got this at TJ Maxx for $3.99. Get the door. Then I got this cute little set, y'all, called Dan Skin, and it's definitely giving like Skims. So I got a set of 5 underwears for $14.99. All right, y'all, so unfortunately I was recording in slow motion, so I'm going to do a talk over. So these are the different underwears that they have at TJ Maxx. It's definitely giving Skims, Dupes with affordable price. So check them out. They had seamless, bikini, sports bras, wire bras, anything you're looking for. I decided to go with this 2-piece set, and you get 2 bras, and they are brown and cream. It's coming off as white, but it's brown for $14.99. Really soft material. I love it. Now I'm just showing y'all this melon cucumber shave bar. I think that's what it's called. I got it from Bath and Body Works. I got it for free, and it smells amazing, y'all. Then I'm just unboxing some Amazon products. All these products can be found in my Amazon storefront. I will have the link below to each item. I got Lotta body mousse for my hair, and then I got a battery for my Sony ZEV-10 camera. It comes with 2 batteries and a charger. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. I'm so upset because I recorded a little haul for y'all yesterday, and I guess I was recording in slow mode, so I didn't watch the whole clip. I don't know what I showed y'all, what I didn't show y'all, but at this point it just don't matter because I'm not doing a do-over, okay? So I had already washed my face. I did my skincare routine, same shit I've been using, y'all, for years. The Fenty Skin. My eyebrows are nice. She did them really cute, really cute. Can y'all see that? Let me zoom in so y'all can get the full effect, baby. Y'all see that? Ooh, almost don't need no, almost don't need to fill them in. Oh, hold down. Don't want to see a tit-tay, do you? Okay. Yeah, I like it so far. I'm gonna use my Morphe eyebrow pencil. I think this is the micro brow pencil in the color chocolate mousse. All right, I just wanted to show y'all one brow. I'm about to do my makeup off camera. I'm gonna come back when I'm dressed, show y'all the look, and keep it moving. All right, y'all. Oop, I did my hair and my makeup. Y'all know I'm about to go out to eat, but I'm being a fat ass. I'm hungry, so I'm eating tacos right now. I think I have room for more later anyway. This the perfume I'm wearing tonight, Chanel Chance. It's raining. Like, it was pouring, raining. It did say it was gonna stop, but I don't know. So I'm debating if I should change my outfit. Should I just go ahead and wear it? Because I want to wear sandals regardless. I don't have no other shoes. Like, I'm not wearing no heels. I do have an outfit, but do I want to wear heels? That's the thing. I got an outfit that I never wore. But, do I want to wear heels? I don't want to wear heels. Let me figure out if I'm still going to wear my outfit.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weed and the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So being tamed, I'd rather be wild. This bandit, they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be.
Y'all, so I'm back and look, I got some flowers. Aren't they pretty? Y'all, I'm tired. I had a good night. Food was good. Drinks were good. I'm going to bed, y'all. So I'm probably going to close this vlog out and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.